Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of the top 5 herbs and how they can transform your well-being. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed insights, subscribe now. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. Living with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve, even thrive. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Your journey to self-improvement starts with this video, so let's begin. First on our list is basil, a fragrant herb with a host of benefits. Packed with antioxidants, basil supports heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering oxidative stress. Its antibacterial properties make it great for supporting your immune system. You can enjoy basil fresh in salads, blended into pesto, or even as a calming tea. Next, we have turmeric, a golden root that's been used for centuries. Thanks to its active compound curcumin, turmeric is a powerhouse for fighting inflammation and promoting joint health. It's also linked to improved brain function and better mood. Add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or golden milk for a warm, health-boosting treat. Third on the list is chamomile, the herb of tranquility. Known for its calming properties, chamomile is excellent for reducing stress and promoting restful sleep. But that's not all. It's also great for digestive health and soothing upset stomachs. Brew a cup of chamomile tea in the evening to wind down after a long day. Coming in at number 4 is rosemary, an aromatic herb known for enhancing memory and concentration. Studies suggest rosemary may help with brain health by improving circulation and reducing free radicals. Plus, it's a natural antimicrobial. Sprinkle rosemary on roasted vegetables or use it to flavor your favorite soups and stews. Finally, we have dandelion, a humble herb with impressive detoxifying properties. Dandelion supports liver health by promoting the elimination of toxins. It's also a diuretic, helping to flush out excess water and support kidney function. You can enjoy dandelion as a tea or even add its greens to your salads. Here's a quick tip. Start small by incorporating 1 or 2 of these herbs into your daily routine. Whether you're sipping chamomile tea, spicing up your dishes with turmeric, or tossing dandelion greens into your salad, these small steps can make a big difference. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information enjoyable and helpful. Please remember that the content here is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.